Kangpokpi MLA Nemcha Kipgen on Wednesday became the first woman and first Kuki-Zo person to become the Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur. She virtually took oath from Manipur Bhavan in New Delhi on Wednesday. Kipgen's swearing in came a day after Kuki civil society groups objected to her joining the government led by Yamnam Khemchand Singh. Several Kuki-Zo groups protested outside Manipur Bhavan in Delhi, where Nemcha Kipgen virtually took oath as Deputy CM of Manipur. The civil society groups have opposed their leaders joining the Manipur government. Kuki Manipur, an umbrella body of Kuki-Zo groups, condemned the government formation in the state. The Kuki-Zo Council also issued a statement warning the lawmakers. Manipur had been under President's rule for nearly a year. Finally, it saw the return of an elected government helmed by new Chief Minister Yamnam Khemchand Singh in Imphal, but not without controversy.
We have taken the responsibility now. We'll go ahead with that.
So one of your colleagues from Kuki-Zo community have also take oath as a deputy chief minister.
Yes.
So and there are many groups that have been opposing against her participation in the government. So even life.
See, in this kind of situation, because you know the situation we have created like that. Normally, it will not come in one day. It is coming slowly. So participating from the online also, it shows that they want to come. There will be opposition from everywhere. Everywhere it is happening. But you know, when there is a problem, it takes time. But we are inviting people to come. Definitely, they are coming forward, coming closer.
So, armed groups have threatened her as well as other Kuki-Zo MLAs. So any action will be taken by your government?
Why not? It is.
So can we say that inclusiveness is the new mantra of the new government?
Sorry?
Inclusiveness is the new mantra of the new government.
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Well, now Naga People's Front MLA Losi Dikho was sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur at Lok Bhavan along with others. Listen in.
भारत के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी, अमित शाह जी और नवीन जी, प्रेसिडेंट बसपा, सबने भरोसा करके दिए हुए उस भरोसा को मैं आगे ले जाएगा। विकसित भारत की 47 तक में इसकी ग्रोथ, नेशनल की ग्रोथ जो आना है, तो इसमें मणिपुर का भी हिस्सा लेने के लिए हमने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिया। इस बात के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद।
Sir, you have two deputy CMs.
Yes.
One Kuki and one Naga.
Right.
So this will help. Will this help in bridging the divide amongst the communities, sir?
now आप एक चीज देखिए, मणिपुर की जो कंपोनेंट है 36 कम्युनिटीज की कंपोनेंट है एंड मणिपुर को संभाल के आया बाय दिस 36 कम्युनिटीज। तो सेंस ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन जो दे रहे हैं उससे हम लोग की आशा है कि मतलब पीसफुल एटमॉस्फेयर लाने में बहुत